Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make cool swipe animations for your Canva designs. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select Videos to add a video file. You can use a mobile video if you have one available. After adding your video, it's time to insert an image. Choose the image you want to use and add it to your project. Select this option by clicking directly on it. Doing so will apply the feature or setting associated with this choice and proceed to the next step in your workflow. Click Create to start a new project now. Click the Add All button to include every item in your selection at once. For quick processing, click to select the menu icon at top. Play the video first to preview its content. This ensures everything works correctly before proceeding with the next steps in your process. Swipe the image here to view the next one. Type your desired text on the canvas. Next, click the Effects button in the top menu to open the Effects panel. Then, select Animate Driver from the animation options. Finally, choose the white effect to apply the animation style to your text. Next, click the Transition button. This opens the transition options for your slide. Browse through the available effects, then select the one you want to use. Your chosen transition will be applied immediately to the selected slide. To change the transition, select your slide, then choose a different transition effect. You can write your content directly on this slide by selecting the text box and entering your desired text. To use this slide as a template, simply duplicate it and customize each version as needed. If you want to change the slide's direction or orientation, open the slide settings and select your preferred layout. This flexibility helps you tailor your presentation to your specific needs and preferences easily. Next, you can change the transition here by selecting a different option from the menu. Swipe up to access the transition options, then select the bird transition. Swipe again to move to the next slide, and this time swipe down to apply the downward transition. Continue by swiping to the next slide, then swipe sideways for a sideward transition effect. Proceed by swiping to the next slide and swipe down once more to apply the downward transition again. Repeat this process for each slide, choosing the desired transition direction as you go. This method lets you easily customize transitions and create engaging movement between each slide. Click play to start this. After making your changes, click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the MP4 video format from the available options. Your video will be prepared and saved to your computer, making it easy to access and share whenever you need. Adjust the quality setting to increase video clarity. Select a higher resolution for sharper images and more detail in your video playback. This ensures you get a better viewing experience with improved sharpness and overall quality, enhancing both visuals and content enjoyment. Click the Quality button to adjust your video playback resolution settings. You just learned how to make swipe motions in Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.